Take and Eat. I'm not sponsored by them. They're just really good vegan food. And I also got a gluten-free wrap, which was great. And it tasted like a normal wrap. So I don't know if you could see on the video, but it is a wrap. It's called Del Barrio Sweet Potato Bowl. And I just got a wrap added to it. And then I'm just looking down to read what it is. And then I got the sauce that you saw is a cilantro pesto. What I love about them as well is that all their sauces are vegan and they're all good. And cilantro pesto is probably my favorite one. And as you could probably tell, I had guac and just some corn chips, which are gluten-free. And yeah, this was really good gluten-free, dairy-free meal for the wrap. There was tempeh that was made into like a Philly steak, sweet potatoes, chickpeas, tomatoes, and avocados. So good. I'm not really a chickpea kind of person, but yeah, that was pretty awesome. So hello everyone, I'm gonna check my Apple Watch. It's Tuesday, and today I'm just editing a video, as you get. I'm probably going to post that today, the video I'm just fixing. And yeah, I just wanted to kind of say hello. I actually am going back to my cousin's, doing home workouts soon, so stay tuned for that. I also just yeah, so today I'm going back to my cousin's. We'll probably get an acai bowl or a salad. I'll definitely show you guys that. I think we're going to the gym tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to film at the gym tomorrow. Yeah, I just packed, and I just wanted to show you guys my mom's plants, because it's so funny, but like she has these plants and I haven't seen them in a really long time, and they've grown so much, and I think they're just so cute. So that is all, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.